Hello friends, today I am here to introduce our new product SPAMUX. This is antioxidant spray which is developed especially for copper and HVAC industries. This SPAMUX is a chemical when sprayed inside the copper tubing reduces oxidation of copper or carbon formation in copper, and hence the scaling of carbon which is formed inside the copper during brazing operation does not fall inside and does not clog the system or does not give the no pull or choking of the joints. How to use this? Now I have a male and female tube. You just have to spray inside this tube on both the male and female tubes before brazing, and now I have made this as a joint. It is up to you to spray on the joint or not, because sometimes this top portion can be cleaned using wet cloth. So if you want to use SPAMUX on top, it is up to you, but inside you cannot do cleaning after brazing is done. So inside the SPAMUX is very important. On this video, we will share some photographs of the result of this particular spray after cutting these samples, and you will see how good they are. If you see in the first slide, you can see the cut portion of the tube. You can see the one side of the one tube which is oxidized and blackened in color, which does not use any SPAMUX or nitrogen. In the other one we have used only the SPAMUX, and you can see the color which is reddish or cherry red, and it is free from the scaling or scale formation. Similarly, we have done the trials with nitrogen purging. The results by the nitrogen purging and the SPAMUX are very close to each other. If the nitrogen purging is 100%, then the SPAMUX results are in the range of 95%. In nitrogen purging, it is a good method, but in nitrogen purging you have to take care of so many things, that you have to carry the cylinders, your purging pressure has to be right, the way of putting the nitrogen inside should be the right way. It has to have a very high purity nitrogen with having very low ppm of oxygen. And basically nitrogen being the neutral gas, it pushes air outside. It does not prevent oxidation or antioxidation or the formation of oxides on its own, because it is not a reducing gas. Whereas the flux, this antioxidant, has the reducing properties, hence it fights with the oxygen and gets reduced itself, thereby saving the carbon formation on the copper. Similarly, you can see the strips which are now, after spraying you can see the results, and there is a strip which is dipped inside this particular liquid, and then you can see the results. Both these results, they can show you that there is no oxidation and it looks brilliant. After spraying this chemical inside the copper tubing, there is no need of cleaning it, or the post-brazing cleaning is not required, because this is RoHS R134A non-CFC compliant as well as REACH compliant, and hence this is very friendly. Only thing is that because it has a volatile substance, you cannot use it in front of a naked flame. You have to do it away from the naked flame, and you have to do this before brazing. This can be done 1 hour before brazing or 2 hours before brazing, it doesn't really matter, because after spray, whatever is the liquid there, it gets evaporated, and there is a fine layer of chemical on the surface which helps to prevent oxidation during the brazing process. Hence, whatever is film formed inside, it remains intact if not damaged by any physical forces like rubbing or any kind of handling. So you can spray it beforehand, maybe 1 hour before, 2 hours before, it doesn't really matter. So do use this so that you will get a cluster free carbon-free, clean surfaces, and this will help HVAC to gain a long life during the operation, and the choking of the components will be reduced drastically. Thank you very much. I am Sumant Mathure from Mathure Metalworks Private Limited. Thank you.